Hello, everyone. So you saw in the thumbnail, we are doing the Hot Ones Challenge. This is, without a doubt, the best TV show on YouTube. It's the first one I watched, and I watched every episode. If you ever saw the one with Gordon Ramsay, you will laugh your butt off. So this one, we're going to eat it. Let me put this back in the freezer. And we bought that from Walmart. They actually have them at Walmart now. You can order them online. So 3 of the sauces they make for themselves. The classic. So just so you know, don't, not yet. Just so you know, a normal jalapeno, everyone's heard of that, is about 2,000, 3,000 Scoville units, which says how hot something is. The classic one's only 1,800, so that should be good for Silhouette and Acapella. The medium one's called, the medium number, like the middle hot sauce is called Los Calientes hot sauce. This one is 36,000 Scoville units, so that's like almost 5 times as hot as a jalapeno. And the last one is called the Last Dab Apollo. You see the packet is small because that one is 2 million plus Scoville units. So we're going to try them in order. Each person has a drink if they want to use it. And they also have some ranch like me and Acapella, or some ketchup like Silhouette. All right, we're going to get started in a minute. Before we do though, let's see the intro. Let's get started. Do the classic hot sauce. I'm gonna try it first without my ranch. The chicken that comes with the kit is really good. Look how fluffy that is. I don't know if that helps. It's really good. This one's not really hot. It's like barbecue or buffalo chicken wings. You probably don't like the flavor, right? But is it hot, or you just don't like the flavor?
I don't like the flavor.
Look at the camera and show you how much you love it.
Flavor.
Is it hot at all to you? Yeah, it's not hot at all to me. I'm gonna drink a drink, not because it's hot, but because I just want a drink. So feel free to have a drink if you want. I feel like I'm out of order. So all of them, I shook them in a little bowl to get the sauce on it for the first 2. The last one though, if you can see that, on one side I didn't put any, and then on one side I put the super hot sauce, the 2 million units. I worry about my kids eating it. I worry about me eating it. So you guys ready to try the Los Calientes? Yeah. Let's go.
That's okay. Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
It has a very taco flavor. Yes, you can feel the spice, for sure, but it's good spice. Oh my God. That is a good flavor. Especially for something that came frozen in a store. So what, is it hot at all to you?
Hot.
It's hot to her. I feel so bad for my baby when she eats the last one. Oh my God. Let's pause for a second and give Silhouette a break. Hey, Silhouette went and got an ice cube. She's rubbing on her lips because she said the second one on her lips. Oh, my poor baby. So Silhouette, when you take a bite of the hottest one, you can go ahead and dip it in ketchup first if you want to, and then just take a little bite of the sauce. I don't want you to get hurt. Second one hot for you? She goes, eh. So she did not really care for the sauce flavor. I like the sauce flavor. She didn't like the sauce flavor or the temperature. So here we go. We're almost done with the video. Half of it is soaked in Apollo, the last dab. This is a 2 million Scoville units. Oh my gosh, I've never eaten anything that's supposedly this hot before in my life. You guys ready?
Yeah. No, hold on.
Oh. As you notice, Mommy's not here. Mommy refused to do this one. So when she starts her own channel about eating spicy stuff, give her a thumbs down.
Got my funny straw.
Oh, she's ready to use a funny straw to slurp out a drink. I so want to dip this in ranch first, but I'm so scared. It smells super powerful. So I told her she can just take a little bite. Pella's going to take a big bite, I guess. Massive bite. I'm going to just pop the whole thing in my mouth. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's hot. Is it hot?
Painful hot.
My tongue, I laid it off right on my tongue. Oh my God. Give me a spoon. So wet left. I'm gonna drink some ranch. Oh my God. It's getting hotter every second. My ears are gonna pop. Sorry.
Milk!
Oh.
Milk! Milk!
Woo! It's getting hotter. Oh my God. I should have put so much on mine. Bring the milk out. Give me milk. Please. A cup. Oh my God. And it's hot. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so hot. I'm gonna eat one of her lowest level wings to help cool my mouth off. Oh my God. Why, don't put your hands by your eyes. Oh my God.
Even Pella's done. Why is it still burning?
Pella, you don't want to come over here and wave goodbye to the camera?
My heart burns.
Oh my God. That is so hot. Everyone.
My God.
So what's over there hugging Mom's head? Mommy, it burns. That is hot. Now, if you watch the actual show, the one that bothers them the most is the one second from last, the 8th seed, called the last, or the bomb. But that one's more vile tasting. This one actually has a good flavor, but it's hot as hell. Sorry, my language.
Oh, what did I steal?
Holy smoke! Oh, I'm gonna steal another one of Silhouette's, one from Los Calientes. That is good. I'm trying to match the heat. My kids left. They're not staying for the end of the video, I'm sorry. So before I go, I will say the next thing you're gonna see is a little add-on clip that we added. It is a country music video that I did for Shirley. Shirley wanted me to do Mr. Cowboy. I cannot sing Samoan words, songs in country style. But I did write a country song like in 1987. Oh my gosh, I was so young. And it's not very good, but if you want to stay, watch a little video that me and Silhouette made.
Good.
It'll be next. So thank you so much for coming. They're eating popsicles. They're not giving me one, apparently. Oh my God. You think a jalapeno is 2,000 Scovilles. This is 2 million plus Scovilles. Oh, and you know I love spice, so oh my gosh, it's so hot. The worst thing is my ears are in so much pain right now. They're like hurting. My eardrums are hurting. Woo! But I love how much. You have to check out that channel if you haven't seen it yet. Much love to all of you. I love each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this bonus video clip. Or you cut the film now. Whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Until next time. It's June 24th, by the way. Now you know how far in advance we film stuff. Tofasi Fu, everyone, and woo! Peace! Oh my god. I almost. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I got the hiccups and the burps now. GoPro, stop recording. You wrote me you were leaving, and you laughed when I was crying. Oh, I never felt like dying more than then. You took my love from me and gave nothing in return. Oh, your love is like a candle that never burned. And now I'm too drunk and too lonely to go out looking to start a family. No woman would have me as I am now. And so I'll keep on listening to the jukebox play and try to not do what my heart's saying and drink all this loneliness away. Well, your friends say you just got married. They say you don't remember me. They say you don't recall my name. I wish I had the nerve to change my life or go back in time and make you my wife, but I'm too drunk to get it done. 'Cause now I'm too drunk and too lonely to go out looking to start a family. No woman would have me as I am now. And so I'll keep on listening to the jukebox play and try to not do what my heart's saying and drink all this loneliness away. And drink all this loneliness away.